Getting rich isn't always about luck or big risks. Often, it's the small, consistent habits that make the biggest impact. You might already be practicing them without even knowing. Let's see how these simple habits are making you rich. Number 1, you understand that money is a tool. Understanding that money is a tool that can be used to generate more wealth is a key mindset. Once you see money as something that can be utilized and leveraged, you'll start increasing your wealth without constantly thinking or worrying about it. This perspective helps you focus on opportunities to grow your money rather than just spending it. For example, using your money to invest in stocks, real estate, or a small business can create additional income streams and build long-term wealth. This approach changes how you perceive expenses and investments, prioritizing those that can offer returns and enhance your financial stability over time. Number 2, you have a plan to reach your financial goals. Having big financial goals is great, but they're unrealistic without a plan. Whether your goal is to save for retirement, set up college funds, or buy a house, having a clear plan helps you stay on track. A well-thought-out plan ensures that you make consistent progress toward your financial goals, even if you're not thinking about it every day. This might include setting up automatic transfers to savings accounts, regularly reviewing your budget, and adjusting your plan as your financial situation changes. A financial plan also helps you stay disciplined and focused, reducing the temptation to spend impulsively and ensuring that your money is directed towards meaningful goals. Number 3, you've stopped checking your bank account daily. One of the first signs that you're building wealth without even noticing is that you've stopped checking your bank account daily. Initially, you might be attentive to every transaction. As you become more confident in your financial stability, you'll find that you no longer need to obsessively monitor your account. This shift indicates a level of financial comfort and stability, where you trust your budgeting and spending habits enough to not worry about every penny. This peace of mind is a significant indicator that your finances are in good shape and that you have developed a sustainable financial routine. Number 4, your emergency fund is fully funded. A fully funded emergency fund is a significant indicator of financial health. It means you're prepared for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills without disrupting your financial stability. Knowing that you have this safety net provides peace of mind and reflects successful wealth building. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account to cover emergencies. Having such a fund also prevents you from dipping into investments or going into debt during financial crises, ensuring that your long-term financial plans remain on track. Number 5, you've eliminated consumer debt. Consumer debt, especially credit card debt, can be a significant barrier to building wealth. High interest rates can keep you in a cycle of debt, paying off interest without reducing the principal. By avoiding unnecessary debt and paying off balances quickly, you free up more money for savings and investments. If you've successfully paid off your credit cards or personal loans, you're on the right track to financial freedom and wealth accumulation. Reducing debt also improves your credit score, which can lower the cost of future borrowing and open up more financial opportunities. Number 6, you're not falling for lifestyle creep. One effective way to build wealth is to keep increasing your income while maintaining the same level of spending. This means avoiding lifestyle creep, where you increase your expenses as your income rises. By keeping your spending in check, you can save and invest the additional income, accelerating your wealth building journey. For example, If you receive a raise or bonus at work, instead of upgrading your lifestyle, consider putting that extra money towards your savings or investment accounts. This disciplined approach ensures that your financial growth translates into actual wealth accumulation rather than temporary enjoyment. Number 7, consistently hitting savings goals. Regularly meeting your savings goals is a clear sign of financial discipline. After covering necessary expenses and contributing to retirement accounts, consistently saving the remaining discretionary funds shows that you're steadily building wealth without even realizing it. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart savings goals can help you stay motivated and on track. This consistency not only grows your savings, but also instills a habit of prioritizing long-term financial health over short-term desires. Number 8, you purposefully live below your means. Living within or below your means is a fundamental principle of wealth building. Keeping housing expenses low, avoiding unnecessary purchases, and sticking to a budget help you save more. This disciplined approach ensures you have more money available for savings and investments. It's about making mindful spending choices and prioritizing long-term financial security over short-term gratification. Living below your means also reduces financial stress, as you are less likely to face financial emergencies or debts that can derail your financial plans. Number 9, you are comfortable with small purchases. When you reach a point where small, everyday purchases don't cause financial stress, it's a sign that you've built a solid financial foundation. Being able to buy a $15 bottle of olive oil or enjoy lunch out without worrying about your budget indicates that you're managing your money well. This financial comfort comes from having a well-planned budget and sufficient disposable income. It reflects that your income not only covers your basic needs, but also allows for occasional indulgences without jeopardizing your financial goals. Number 10, maximizing retirement contributions. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA is a straightforward way to build wealth. Many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money towards your retirement. Regular contributions combined with employer matches significantly boost your retirement savings without requiring constant attention. Over time, these contributions grow through compound interest, providing a substantial nest egg for your retirement. Maximizing these contributions ensures that you are well prepared for retirement and can enjoy your golden years without financial worries. Number 11, investing. Instead of holding cash in a checking account means it's not earning interest or working for you. By moving money into high-yield savings accounts, CDs, or investments, you ensure that your money grows over time. This habit helps you build wealth quietly and efficiently. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can also reduce risk and increase potential returns. This strategy helps your money work for you, generating passive income and increasing your net worth over time. Number 12, focusing on major financial decisions. While small purchases add up, focusing on major financial decisions has a more significant impact on your wealth. Prioritizing big-ticket items like investments, paying down significant debt, and major purchases helps you build wealth more effectively than fixating on minor expenses. For instance, making informed decisions about buying a home, selecting the right insurance policies, and choosing investment strategies can significantly influence your financial health. These major decisions often have long-term financial implications, making them critical to your overall wealth-building strategy. Number 13, monitoring investments. Investments should largely be a set it and forget it approach, but occasional monitoring ensures optimal performance. Keeping an eye on market trends, fees, and investment performance helps you make informed decisions, contributing to steady wealth accumulation. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and rebalancing it as needed can help maintain your desired level of risk and return. This proactive management ensures that your investments continue to align with your financial goals and adapt to changing market conditions. Number 14, enjoying hobbies without financial stress. As your wealth grows, you'll have money to spend on hobbies and activities you enjoy. Whether it's dining out, buying new golf clubs, or taking a dream trip, being able to indulge in these activities without financial worry is a clear sign of successful wealth building. This financial freedom allows you to enjoy life's pleasures without compromising your financial goals. It also indicates a balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present, which is key to a fulfilling life.